Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to take you behind the scenes of something that a lot of people talk about, but few actually break down step by step, and that is how to go from $0 to $100,000 and build the foundation for financial freedom. If you're just starting out, feeling stuck, or wondering what the path even looks like, this is the game plan I'd follow from scratch. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just a realistic, focused strategy that works. When you're starting with nothing, the idea of hitting six figures can feel impossible, but $100,000 isn't just some random milestone. It's a tipping point where money starts to work for you. It's when investing, compound interest, and financial options really start to unlock. This isn't about hype, it's about building a system that gives you a long-term control over your time and money. The first step is mindset. Before you even touch your bank account, you've got to believe this is possible for you. You don't need to come from money, you don't need to be perfect with finances. What you need is consistency, discipline, and a long-term view. Stop thinking of money emotionally, start treating it like a tool. This is about building habits and systems, not chasing lottery wins. Once your head's right, the next move is to fix your cash flow. And there are only two ways to do that: spend less or earn more. The ideal scenario, do both. If your monthly income is low, focus on increasing it however you can. Pick up a side hustle, freelance, offer a service, sell something, whatever works for you. Your first $100,000 will come faster if you learn how to generate more income and don't let lifestyle eat it up. At the same time, control your spending, not in a restrictive way, but in an intentional way. Look at where your money's going, cancel subscriptions you don't use, stop buying things just to flex, build a budget that allows you to enjoy life while still making progress. Every dollar you keep is a dollar you can use to build freedom. Your first goal with extra debt money is to build an emergency fund. If you don't have one, this is priority number one. Start with $1,000 and aim for $5,000. Eventually get to 3-6 months of living expenses. This gives you a cushion. It protects you from credit card debts, payday loans, or having to borrow from family. It gives you breathing room, which is exactly what most people never get. Once you've got that saving cushion, it's time to start investing. This is where the game changes. Even if you're only investing $50 a week, that consistency adds up. A Roth IRA is a great starting point if you qualify. You can invest in simple ETFs like VOO or SCHD and let the market do the work. You don't need to time the markets, you don't need to know which stock is hot, you just need to buy, hold, and let time compound your results. At this point, think long term about your income again. What skills can you develop that gives you leverage? What service can you provide or business can you build that scales over time? Your income is the engine behind this entire plan. Once your income increases, you can invest more, save more, and move faster toward $100,000 and beyond. So don't settle, keep growing. If you've got any interest debt, especially credit cards, knock that out fast. It's like running uphill with weights on your back. The moment you pay it off, it's like getting a raise. Take whatever you were paying in minimums and redirect into savings and investments. That's how you make real progress without needing to suddenly earn 10 times more. Another key step is tracking. Not in a spreadsheet every day, but just being aware of what's coming in, what's going out, and how much you are keeping. I recommend checking in monthly. Ask yourself, how much did I save this month? How much did I invest? What could I have done better? That kind of reflection creates momentum and helps you avoid going backwards. As your savings and investments grow, you'll realize this journey isn't just about money. It's about confidence, it's about options. By the time you reach $100,000, you will have built habits that can take you to $500,000 to $1 million or even early retirement, because the process doesn't change. Only the numbers do. Financial freedom starts with ownership of your decisions, your income, and your mindset. You don't need to live on rice and beans or chase crypto pumps to hit your first 100,000. You need consistency, smart money habits, and a focus on building rather than spending. The truth is, it's not that complicated, but it does take commitment. If you stick to the plan, earn more, live on less, save aggressively, invest consistently, $100,000 becomes inevitable. And once you get there, it opens doors most people never reach. With that being said, thank you for watching. If this helped you visualize your own path to financial freedom, hit that like button and subscribe for more real, no BS content on building wealth. And drop a comment below whether you are starting at zero or already on your way. I want to hear your goal. Remember, the number doesn't matter as much as the mindset. The goal isn't to get rich fast. The goal is to never be broke again. See you in the next one.